Alright, Steam Studio, today we're going to try to draw robots, just for something fun to do at home. We're going to try this little guy here. As with any kind of drawing, it takes a lot of time, and don't worry about mistakes. Okay, so the first thing we do is we're going to work on pencil first, and then we'll add our color and pen. But you want to just draw lightly to begin with. So we're going to start with kind of a square head, or actually a rectangle head. And I'm going to start going with a little bit of neck and a couple of knobs on the top of the head. Now it wants me to make this more like a cylinder, so we're going to go from the top corner here and back up so we can make it kind of a rounded shape. And see how I'm going over and over again? That's the way I can like kind of find my line the way I want it to be. I start loosening up. I'm going to find the best one it is. Okay. So now I don't really want all this. I really just want the cylinder. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to erase that first straight line and erase the inside of this one. And I'm just going to erase the straight line on this side. Now you can see I kind of have a cylinder shape for my robot head. Okay, next thing that it wants is we want kind of gears out here. So I'm just going to make kind of ovals. We can't see all of this one, so this one's closer to the head. And then it wants, I kind of made that a little small. You know what, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now that's in front of there, that's why I'm going in to erase this little segment there, because this part is in front. Now, it wants that to have some dimension. Okay, so we still haven't really done anything with this part. We're going to make these more like lights on the top of his head. So I'm going to erase the inside there. And then it wants a mouth. Not the best in the world, but okay. Then we're going to put some, well, that's not very good. I'm going to try a better eyeball. Okay, so now we have our mouth, we have our eyes, and we're going to make a nose, and it wants just a rectangle nose, but we want to give it a little dimension like it's coming off the face a little bit, so I'm making a little side spot. Then we're going to put some rivets because our robot is metal. And they give it some little teeth here. I'm going to give it a little neck joint. And then we want to give a little life to it, so we're going to add some eyes with some little shine spots, because that's what makes our robot cute. Okay, and that is the basic robot face. I'm just going to add a little bit because I want a bigger robot. Let's see, what else could we add to them? I'm just giving them a little bit extra. Okay, so I'm going to clean my drawing up a little bit. And there's our little robot. He doesn't have any arms, but that's okay. All right, now I'm going to come in and I'm just going to add some color to them. So I'm going to go over all my lines. And when I make some lines thicker, I give them a little bit more emphasis. It's a little hard to do on marker. Yeah, that's why you go pencil first, so you can find exactly how you want your lines to go. Boop, boop, boop. Give him his little freckles. All right. Okay. Now I want to go in and give him a different color eye here. Give him some give him a little bit of flash up here. And you know what? I'm just going to color the rest of them gray with my pencil. See how I'm going all in one direction? It keeps them kind of clean and tidy instead of doing their scribble scrabble everywhere. Now I want them to look a little bit shiny, so I'm going to come in here and do some of this a little bit darker. And that gives them some more dimension when I darken parts of it. And this part under his chin is going to get less light than up here at the top. I don't know. That's all right. There's my cute little robot for the day. Okay. Have a good weekend.